Hello everyone guys, this is Suman Jain and today I just wanted to show you a small tutorial on how to use Canva and how to create different kinds of images for your any projects. Either it can be of your Facebook ads images, or you can even design your letterheads, or you can even design your ebooks, which I have already designed many ebooks, or email headers or logos or flyers, to name a few. Okay, before I explain you and show you how to do it, I just wanted to show you a few pictures which I've seen on few websites and which I'm showing you through Google as well. You can see there's a lot of pictures where people have created with the help of Canva. You can see over here the Pinterest blogs where people are actually designing these kind of stuffs only with the help of Canva, right? So there's a huge possibilities of using Canva and making a lot of stuffs, right? So if you can see, there's a lot of pictures which have already been designed. So for example, this is one of the pictures which I've designed for one of my ebook, which I was providing it for free in order to collect leads generation, in order to create lead generations from Facebook ads and Google ads. So this was one of the ebook which I've designed. This was a letterhead which I designed, and after that I've designed many other stuffs also, like these kind of pictures, and there's a lot of ebooks which I've designed. So there's a lot of headers, a lot of graphics, everything I've designed on Canva, which is one of the easiest way to design, right? So and you can even create you can even find the templates which has been designed from Canva. You just need to browse on what exactly you are looking out with the templates, either posters, logos, presentation flyers, cards, infographics. As you can see, for the blogs, infographics is one of the important tool which we use on Pinterest and all those stuffs, right? Like photo collage, brochures, invitations, desktop wallpapers, postcards, book covers, letterheads, magazine covers, ID cards. You can just say it to just name a few, web ads, lesson plans, and everything, right? So today I just wanted to show you one of the designs on creating with the help of Canva, right? You can go for Facebook cover, or I would just wanted to create a pictures for Facebook. Yes, for one of my Facebook ads, because I do a lot of Facebook ads on Facebook. So I would be creating an ad of simple pictures, which you can see over here. These are a few of the templates. You can see, you can scroll, which is free to use it, right? You can say it, you can use it if it's anything you are promoting, some gardens, or you can see there's a lot of pictures where Canva providing it, which you can use it. And believe me, all these pictures are with a 20% text rule as well, so you can use the same as well. At the same time, you can see these are the elements which we use it. You can see free photos, you can see the grids, you can see different kinds of grids we use it, like shapes, charts, illustrations, icons, lines, frames, and canvas, right? So, and you can use even the text survey, you can scroll it. And if you don't like any of the picture, you can just click on this ad box, and you can see there would be an ad box. And here's, of course, if you don't like any pictures, you just wanted a plain background, you can use any of the background which has been provided with by Canva. If you click on it, you can see that the pictures has been added. And if you don't like this, if you wanted this picture to be added, you can see all your filters. You can see the background has been added, right? And if I want to crop it, if I want the picture to be cropping it also, I can do it, right? It depends upon how I wanted to adjust it, right? So this is how it is, and after that you can even filter it with the colors. If you can see here, very it's a retros and peonies and gels, and it's a lot of dramas and edge, and I actually like these kind of pictures or peony pictures, right? So yeah, and again, along with these things, you can even upload your own pictures, and you can even add the pictures and the apps. This is for the paid versions. So what we would be doing is I would delete these pictures, and first we'll go with the templates. So if you want, you can even search templates, work from home. So if you don't have it, then YouTube templates, if they have it. If they don't have it, sky, if they have the skies. Yes, they do have the skies. So what I would I like the dark one, but yeah, even these pictures are definitely very good. So if you want, you can go for this. I would be going for this pictures. Then after that, if I want to crop it, I can even crop it. But make sure if you have this Canva, then you cannot use it. You need to pay for Canva. So instead of that, you can go with this picture because it doesn't have Canva. Because if you use this, if you can see this Canva trademark, then you need to pay $1 for that. So if you don't want to pay it, you can select the other pictures, or you can even upload your own pictures for the backgrounds, right? So when you click over here, you can even crop it by lifting it up and down and just clicking it, so that you would see the pictures more clearer. And again, when you can write any names you want to in a circle. Making money online. Subscribe now, right? So these are the logos. If you want, you can even extend it. You can see it, and then if you want, you can see here. You can even remove the watermarks, and if you wanted to go for the other fonts, you can do it. You can see here the fonts. Go with the fonts, change the fonts, and then if you wanted, we can even change the size of the fonts, changing it, and the colors with red, and once you do it, right, and if you want, even you can upload any of the pictures if you wanted. I just wanted to add this one picture. I don't want to complicate it, right? And I even wanted to add one more picture of mine. Yeah. So what I do is I'm increasing, and you can see how I'm increasing and decreasing the size. Just clicking on it, placing over here, and you can see the position in the pictures. You can see if you want to move backward so that you can see the font, right? And if you want the position to be forward, you can see here, right? Can you see this? So we can do backward, you can see here, with nice backgrounds, right? So you can play with the pictures in this way. You can adjust it with all the brightness, contrast, saturation, change, blur, and X process. You can even crop the pictures. If you can see, you have already cropped the pictures, and if you're not liking it, then what you can do is you can delete these pictures if you don't like it, and again you can increase or decrease the font, and you can see here you have again place the centers. You can see here the pictures, the font, right? And one more thing which I want to do with the elements, with the text over here, I just added this one, so I'm just placing it in above. Training, and I'm just getting the font with yellow. Okay, if you can see here, I'm just increasing it to the size, right? And now if you can see here, I'm just placing it, right? So, but there's one more thing which I wanted to share with you guys is right. So what I wanted to share with you is fine. So you can see this which I've added over here. If you can see, I can place it, increase the font to 48. Right, so in this way you can create a simple pictures, and once you create a pictures, what you do, either you can share it or either you can download it, right? And there's one of this premium, so as I shared, it's where you need to pay $1 so that you can pay and download, and then if you want a JPG you can download it. So in this way you can create a beautiful pictures for your ads. You can create a beautiful pictures for different kinds of aspects, either on your Instagrams, or you can create very good pictures for your courses, online courses, or for your fan page post, or your YouTube pictures, thumbnails, and all the stuff. So if you're looking at more advanced features, then stay tuned. There's a lot of videos coming up from and subscribe to my channel so that you get more updates and more value from my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video.